Here is the automatic alignment mode for the laser machine. This is the new design. Okay. It will do automatic alignment to make sure the glass it is in the middle location. Yeah, we will get one of these and show you how to install this mode. This kind of mode, it is not together with the machine. It will need to buy extra. So you see here, it is for close. Close, that means it will clamp the mode. You see? Okay. And then you open the computer here. This is the software. The machine it has the built-in computer, and it has the software program and also the files. And you open. Yeah, this is for 8 plus. So we find the files for 8 plus. Okay. You select the file and then click here to make sure. Yeah, click here. You see. So the mode, the file it will in the middle place, and then you see the red line. And you click focus. Focus it is for automatic alignment for the height focus. You see. So it will find the best place, which has the best laser. Okay, it's done. And then you move this mode to make sure that the red line it will cover with the bare glass. You see it visually. Yeah, under the dark line it will be more clear. See. Here it has two, like the screw, the clamp screw for the mode, and one put here and one put here. So you use the screw to fasten it, so the mode it won't move. So this is for open. Okay, and now it is the same place for the mold and the fire. And then you put the glass randomly like this, and then you click close. So it will like this. And then change others. So for the others, you don't need to move the location again. Okay, so this makes the alignment more easier. Okay. And for this one. Okay, and then we find the files and then we check again. Remember that the file needs to be in the middle, okay? Okay, so it is correct. And this kind of mode you can charge with the power. I'll charge it with the power, or you just plug this to the wall directly. It is chargeable, okay? And so that's done. And this machine will do laser. And you open the software and add test. So it can laser on either test, photo, or your logo. So we entered the happy holiday. Okay. So it's too big, then you can make it smaller. And then to lock focus. Wow, it's really nice. Okay, now it's done. Okay, so you can lace on any surface. 然后用这个打个图片。And also we can engraving for the photo or any logo. Here it has the USB. You can use any of your USB flash. This USB is ours. You can use any of yours, and then you can upload the file. Okay. Change this to 5. And click apply. Okay. Make it a little smaller. Okay, release it here. Okay. Okay, it's done. And we try another with the logo. This is our logo.